Items included: 16 gel nail polish colors plus base top coats. Reminder. Cure under LED UV light cure time. Average for LED light 30 to 60 secs, UV light 2 to 4 minutes. Long-lasting gel nail. GELLEN Gel Polish can last up to 3 weeks with quality base coat and proper nail prep. GELLEN Quality Gel Nail Polish. 2 coats only. Gel brush is incredibly smooth that is easy to apply. Great pigmented gel polish colors as expected. Wears like gel, good tenacity, off in minutes, mirror shine finish. Healthy Gel Manicure. Environment-friendly products with healthy ingredients and nail protection formula. With the advantage of odor-free, non-toxic. Fun of Home Manicure professional for salon. A perfect gel nail set has a wide range colors, no more struggle to choose which color to light up your day. You'll find every season has your exclusive color, meet your expectation at most occasions. Top reviews from the United States. Best gel polish ever. I've used a ton of gel polishes and this brand is the best. Goes on smoothly and easy to work with. Colors are accurate to the pictures and the colors on the bottles themselves. Feels very natural on.